What up, what up, what up? It's your girl Raah Vibez here with the dancehall move of the week. Today's move is called Queen Power by Latonya Style. Let's check it out.
Me still shop at DDs, I'ma still shop at Macy's, not got certain places. Me a girl, me no frightened for link, and me no frightened for face. Young girl, no for kill it. If I know your size, don't wear it. And if I know your price, don't claim it. You better buy when your money can buy. Put some in your savings.
Okay, so for this move, you're gonna need some space. The first thing you want to do is a simple walk forward with your right foot and then your left foot. But don't do it like that, okay? You want to do this walk with a lot of power, a lot of style, a lot of grace, okay? So you want to step, step, all right? After that, right, left, you want to open with your right leg and right arm, and then open with your left leg and left arm. Hands are in fists, okay? Then we bring our right hand up, still in a fist, left hand up in a fist, and you're gonna dip and wind with the crown of your head, and you're gonna bring it up and bring it out, okay? So that was from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice? All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7,
I never born in a last week. Me still shop at DDs, I'ma still shop at Macy's, not got certain places. Me a girl, me no frightened for link, and me no frightened for face. Young girl, no for kill it. If I know your size, don't wear it. And if I know your price, don't claim it. You better buy when your money can buy. Put some in your savings. Woman, feel confident.
And that was Queen Power by Latonya Style. So keep rocking them crowns. Round of applause. Great job, y'all. And remember, practice makes progress. Once again, I'm Raah Vibez. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe, follow me on social media, and sign up for my newsletter at raahvibez.com for more dance tutorials.